Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off contact syncing in Telegram. By default, Telegram automatically syncs your phone contacts to help you find friends who are already using the app. But if you're concerned about privacy or simply want to keep your contact list off the cloud, turning off contact sync is the way to go. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by launching the Telegram app on your Android. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Contacts section. Then look for the option that says Sync Contacts or Contacts Sync. Toggle the switch off to disable automatic syncing of your phone contacts with Telegram. This means Telegram will no longer upload new contacts from your phone. Turning off syncing stops future uploads. But what about contacts already uploaded to Telegram? Here's how to remove them. Stay in Contacts section, delete synced contacts. Confirm the action by tapping Delete in the pop-up. This will remove all previously synced contacts from Telegram's servers, and that's it. You've now successfully turned off contact syncing and optionally deleted previously uploaded contacts from Telegram. This is a great way to keep your data private and reduce unnecessary contact suggestions. Thanks for following along. Now you know exactly how to turn off contact syncing in Telegram to protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.